Hi guys, it's Rob here, and in this series of tutorials we're going to be going over the information for NJIT's IT-120 Introduction to Network Technology course. This right here is the review sheet that I've compiled for you guys. As you can see, it's multiple pages. I'm not quite sure exactly how many. Oh, 17 pages. And basically we're just going to be going through this step by step. Walking you guys through it. Now, if you're not at NJIT, but you are a self-learned person, someone that wants to, teach themselves course material without actually taking the course, or you're just not registered for the course, but you can still study all this on YouTube, and that's why I made these videos for people like that as well. And basically, we're going through the introduction to network technology, so the basics of computer hardware, networking. We're going to talk about the TCP/IP model. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on the 5-layer model. I know that there's the 7-layer model, 4-layer model, and 5-layer model. And the 7-layer model is the OSI model, whereas the 4 and 5 layers are both the TCP/IP models. We're going to be focusing on the 5-layer, but as you can see, I still mentioned the OSI. We're going to do, and here's the 4-layer right here. And actually, we may actually be focusing on the 4-layer. Actually, I'm mixing up the 4 and the 5 right now. But so you can see we'll be talking about TCP segments, UDP datagrams. Talking about computer networks, different orientations. Do we want star topology, ring topology, bus topology? We'll talk about CAT ratings. So as you can see, this is just a bunch of introductory information for information technology, right? So the frame check sequence. So I'm just going through just to give you guys a quick overview so that you know whether or not this is for you. Right? So pretty boring video right now, just kind of going through the review sheet, just showing you guys. And we're going to jump into the information, I'd say now. Let's jump in right now. So the sources that I used to compile this review sheet are notes from Professor Lurie's IT-120 Introduction to Network Technology course at NJIT, and also the textbook, Managing and Troubleshooting Networks, 3rd edition by Mike Myers. And this should also help you a little bit for certifications, but we don't go over things so in depth here like you would have to review on your own if you're looking to get certified still. And we're almost at 3 minutes. So UTP, unshielded twisted pair cables, contains 4 pairs of wires that can transmit and receive data. A hub is a special box-like device. Each system on the network has its own cable that runs into the hub. Layer 1 of the OSI model defines the method of moving data between computers. So the cabling and hubs are part of the physical layer, or layer 1. Anything that moves data from one system to another, such as copper cabling, fiber optics, or even radio waves, is part of the OSI physical layer. And we're going to cut off there, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.